this year marks the 20th anniversary of a Final Four run. That tells me I'm getting way old. But tell me, what does that mean? And I hear coaches coming back for it. So what does that mean to you to be a part of that? So your kids can see, hey, man, Coach Skinn had some game.
Yeah, no, it's important for so many reasons. I think for me, one of the reasons why I wanted to make sure that we did this the right way is just because I think, Jim Larrañaga is the greatest coach that's ever coached at George Mason. And making sure he gets his flowers while he's here was important to me. Obviously, we actually had something set up where Miami was actually going to come play us this year at home to celebrate it. He retires, and all of a sudden that game is off the table. But being able to bring not only Coach L back, being able to bring my teammates back, I think for our fans and for our supporters, it's very, very important for them to see us. It's not going to be new to us because we all communicate. We have a group chat that, it's a little bit out of control. To be honest with you, I try to stay out of the group chat, but those guys communicate at a high level. They're still competitive. And so bringing those guys back to Fairfax, it's important. I think it's going to be a special day. I want to make sure we're celebrating Coach L the right way. But then also, we also got to make sure we're focused in winning the game that we have to win against ODU as well.
Right.